Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix error 0x0000007c. Windows can't connect to the printer. So to resolve this problem, firstly click on Start Settings. Here click on Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Now run Troubleshooter on printer. And follow the suggestions which you see in this screen. Now close it and restart. Second method you can try, click on Start, type here CMD. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now type here this command line, printui.exe /s/t second 2 number. Then press enter. Now you will see this dialog box, print server properties. So find out a printer driver where you have the issue. Then click on remove. You can remove driver only, also you can remove driver and driver package. Click on yes. Then delete it. Click on OK. Now reinstall your printer company's driver if you are using HP, Canon or any another companies. So just visit official site and download and install a latest driver. So this is the basic and easy way to fix and resolve error 0x0000007c. Windows can't connect to the printer on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.